Welcome to Industrial Cyber Days 2025 Manufacturing.
What I usually find is that there's an inverse correlation with scale within your cyber assessment program and the depth of that cyber assessment program.
But what is a realistic data set that I'm bringing down to the table? Can I patch my systems?
Engineers are very smart, so are IT, but we just don't understand each other sometimes.
When you have that information and you know the network, you can understand where it makes sense to have those capture points.
Aha! Tim is onto our first point here, right? I would call the CISO, but without any info, what would you tell him or her? Exactly.
Sustainable cyber risk management, therefore, cannot be solved with one-time investments or siloed technology approaches.
I guess, is it necessary? Is it adding any value? And what risk does it pose?
Stay safe, stay connected with the community, and we shall see you soon.